So right now, in terms of if you have heard the sound comparison earlier, I definitely, I mean, it is pretty, sound is pretty subjective, but I definitely do feel that the sound of the squishy switches are a lot better than the TTC one, which sounds a lot flatter. And the other main benefit is the stem wobble. So let me go back to this. In the, okay, let me try and view. In here, there is a lot more stem wobble. Okay, yeah, you can see the stem wobble here. So you can see the significant stem wobble of the TTC Magnetic Pro switches. When we go to the squishy, let me try and get a side profile. Can I get it to autofocus? Okay, yeah, so it's autofocusing. You see I'm trying to wobble it, but you can see that the stem doesn't wobble as much. Actually, it's pretty minimal wobble. I would say the wobble is comparable to many of the good mechanical switches, the non-Hall effect, the good linear switches that we have in the market now. It is very minimal wobble, very stable. So in terms of typing, like in terms of typing experience, it is fantastic. Like the typing experience on a non-wobbly switch, it makes it feels a lot better.